Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to teach you a game called Capture 5 on the 100 chart. So this game's a lot of fun. You can play by yourself or with somebody. So how you're going to start is you're going to put 12 chips on your 100 chart. 1, 2, I can just 3, 4, and get some over here, 5. Spread them all over that board. 6, 7. It's hard to tell which one it's in. 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see, I don't have any in the 12. Whoops. 12. All right, so I've got those spread all over the board. Now I'm going to put my game piece somewhere. So I always like the number 4, so I'll go at 44. All right, so now I'm going to give myself 5 change cards, deal out 5. And these are going to help you move your chip around the board. And your goal is to try to collect 5 of the chips and see how many turns it takes you to do that. You're going to record your place. So right here I'm at 44. I'm near a 53, somewhat near a 59. So let me see. Ooh, I have a -2. That would get me in a row with some 2. So let me do a -2. Whoops. So I'm going to go 44 -2. And that's going to put me at 42. That equals 42. Let me use my eraser and get rid of that red line I drew. All right, so now I'm at 42. I still haven't captured any chips yet. I'm going to put my -2 in the discard pile, but let's see, if I go backwards 10, 20, 30, I could catch that one. So I'm going to go -30. So I'm going to write over here 42 -30 equals 12. You can keep track of that on your whiteboard or in a notebook, however you want to keep track of what you're doing. So I'm going to go back 10, 20, 30, and I land right there, and I'm going to take that chip underneath, so I'll move my piece, put that in my collection box, and put me back on 12. All right, so that was 1 turn. So maybe over here I'll put that, it took me 1 turn. All right, turn number 2, I'm going to redeal myself some cards. 1, 2 more cards. All right, so here I am. Let's see, there's nothing left in the 2 row, so using any of those 10s is going to help me. So I can use a 1 plus 2. So if I plus 2, that makes me land at 14. So I can record 12 plus 2, it's not a very good plus, equals 14. Okay, and if I could get all the way down there to 94, I have a plus 30, 40, 50. It'd get me to 64 right in there. I'll use all those. Plus, keep doing that where I forget to switch my mouse back. Okay, so plus 30, 40, 50. So I could go 14 plus 30 plus 10 plus 10 equals 43 or 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84. That seems really high. 14 plus 30, that makes 44, 54, 64. I don't know where I got it to 84. That made 64, and I can check it on my 100 chart. So here I am at 14, I add 30, 10, 20, 30, and then 10 more, 54, 10 more, 64. There we go. That's what it should be. So you should be at 64 now. All right, I did not capture a chip that time. Let me see, move my screen up some. So I'll put that was play 2. Okay, now I'm going to deal myself some more cards. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I got -1. Ooh, that's going to work. If I go here, I -1, -10, that will put me at 53. So I got to do -1, -10. So I was at 64. So here was my 64. I didn't leave myself a lot of room. 64 -10 made 54. -1 made 53. I like to use my recording sheet, so I'm practicing my facts, and here's my 3 turns and I already have 2 chips. All right, your goal is to capture 5 chips. So you're going to keep dealing yourself out cards. I have to put my, I did it again. I have to put my -10 and my -1 into my discard pile because I used them that time. And then I have to deal myself new cards for my next turn. -10, +10. So here I am at 53. I need to get over here some, so I'm going to plus one of my 2s. So +2. To help yourself remember, you can start by doing 53 +2 plus, what else am I going to do? That would put me at 1, 2. Ooh, now if I can go up 20. Ooh, and I have a 20. Woohoo! So I'll use that 20, and that's going to go 10, 20, and land me at 75. Move that chip over, put me at 75. So 53 +2 +20 puts me at 75. And that was 4 turns. So in 4 turns, I've gotten 3 chips. I'm doing pretty well. All right, good luck when you play. See how many turns it takes you to collect 5 chips in this game. Have fun.